What if a book of poetry didn't just give you poems? What if it came with an instruction manual, inviting you not just to read, but to build something in its own world? My spine sets carved as a crescent moon, kneeling in soft sands of washed up gastropods, cuttlefish, ammonite. I mean, that's dense, right? It's physical, almost geological, but here's the thing. There's a key. The secret to unlocking this poetic universe, it's hidden in plain sight. It's right there in the title, Étant Donnés. It's also the title of the final, secret, enigmatic work by Marcel Duchamp. His piece is a diorama you can only see by peeking through two small peepholes in a giant wooden door. You're a spy looking in on a hidden scene. Duchamp builds a hidden physical world for you to view through a peephole, and Marron builds a poetic world, and every poem is your peephole. The book doesn't just reference the art, it mimics Duchamp's private assembly manual. In the back of her poetry book is a section called Order of Operations, and it's lifted right from Duchamp's notes. Do you see it? The poems are an assembly process, the flesh and blood being built onto that cold technical skeleton. It's a world built from an incredible mix of materials. I mean, we're talking ancient myths, the natural world, and modern technology. You'll find things like the Bifrost Bridge from Norse mythology connecting our world to the gods. Alongside that, you'll see a reference to Quetzalcoatl, the Mesoamerican feathered serpent god. This book is weaving these powerful ancient cultural threads into its very fabric. The point is, this isn't a sealed, finished thing you just look at. It's meant for you to engage with, to take apart, and to put back together yourself. And this is the whole point. When you look at Duchamp's artwork, you're a passive voyeur looking through a keyhole. But when you read this book, you become an active participant. In the end, that is the beautiful invitation of this book. The text, it gives you the manual. The poems build the world. The only question left is, what are you going to see when you look through that peephole?